So now moving to this demo, we're going to look at one of the native capabilities of Cohesity, delivering file services capabilities to virtual SAN. So here we select a particular virtual machine, Windows-based particularly in this case, and we're going to configure a Cohesity view, which basically means it's a file service presentation to Windows, and provide access as this virtual machine here plays the role of a file server. But those files are basically stored or coming from the Cohesity cluster. So let's take a look at how simple that is. So basically, to create a view, we very quickly and very simply go to the platform options, select views. Here you have a couple of different choices and capabilities. You can specify create views, provide a simple name that you can reference the shared by or with, obviously customer records. You select the view box, then you choose the type of quality of service policies that you want for that particular view to run. Obviously, there are some predefined capabilities here, settings, backup, target high, low, medium, as you saw there. And you have the ability to choose whether you want this view to be presented as an SMB only, or it could potentially be SMB and NFS. And that's it. That's simple. Here you have successfully created a custom view. Now, once that's created, let's look at some of the details. And here in particular, you can see the actual mount path for either an NFS or an SMB mount path. So traditionally, in this case, we go look at the views, we go back outside to the Windows server, and we'll attempt to mount from a Windows perspective an SMB mount that can be consumed then by any of the application or users within the infrastructure. So here, in a traditional Windows fashion, you can choose the desired drive to recognize or to be recognized by that particular share. Here, normally the share drive makes sense. And we provide the path and definition as we highlighted it within the Cohesity configuration. You click Finish, and that's it. Very simple. You now have a reliant, fully accessible file service capabilities running available on virtual SAN, running and coming from the Cohesity cluster, which means that all the indexing and all the capabilities they provide are part of that as well.